Hi, it's John here. We're just out having a little stroll, just having a trot with the dogs just before I go to the gym tonight. Got the spin classes on tonight, got strength training. It's lucky that the video started when it did because Rufus has just done some business up here, so I've got the carrier bag at the ready. I'm just going to trudge over here and pick that up, but you didn't really want to see that anyway. This is Shaka. She's the daft one. She's absolutely daft as a brush. Exceptionally stupid dog, but very, very funny. Rufus over here, he's the sensible one, does tend to think things through. But these are not really the reason that I was wanting to post today. Wanting to talk about pain catastrophizing. Essentially making pain worse by three components, really three main components. Is the first is to, when you feel in pain or you're experiencing pain, is that you magnify it and make it more than the threat that it actually threatens you. That's the first component. The second component is ruminating on it, thinking about it a lot, and that doesn't help. And the third component is yeah, I've got some company here. There we go. The third component is feeling helpless about it. Alright.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, good sir. There we go, nice doggy. Third component is feeling helpless about it. So, first component, magnifying the pain in your mind, that is. I'll come on to how pain is created, etc. in a minute, but the pain is magnified in your mind. The second component is it's just on your mind all the time. And a third component of chronic pain, persistent pain, pain that lasts more than 3 or 4 months, is feeling helpless about it. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten. I am going to pick up the dog mess. This all comes back to the main point, that pain is created in the brain, and there has to be a very, very distinct separation. That in saying that pain is created in the brain doesn't mean it's all in your head, which can be a natural way to perceive that. That's really not what it is. It's not in your head, but pain is created in the brain. So in the past, when it comes to persistent pain, people think that it's the state of the tissues, so a herniation, a crushed vertebrae, as in pinching vertebrae, these kinds of things. Could be all sorts of conditions really relating to muscles or the skeletal system or the neural system or all sorts of things. But whatever it is, no matter what it is, arthritis, whatever, the pain is created in the brain. It doesn't relate to the state of the tissues. When it comes to acute pain, there's an obvious reason why you feel danger and a threat. So if you cut yourself or you slam your finger in the door, there's an obvious threat that you need to address. Pain alerts you to that signal. When it happens in persistent pain, it happens more than 3 or 4 months, no matter what it is. Normally the body's healed at that point. The pain doesn't alert you to danger. There's no danger, the danger's gone. If you feel in pain still at that point, it's a malfunctioning of the alarm system, and it's not helpful to you. So what you have to do is retrain how your brain perceives pain. lots and lots of different ways and things that we need to look at how to address that. The biopsychosocial model is the best that we've got, and looks at the biological factors, the psychological factors, and the social factors, or anything at all that affects your perception of pain, your ability to the way you create it, and your ability to interpret it and to live with it and to manage it and to hopefully fix it. So it's complicated, and it's work, but if you have the dedication and the willingness to get yourself right, then we know how to do it. We can't say we can fix everyone, but we know how to certainly make you feel much better than you do already if you're feeling in persistent pain. A lot of people would do fix completely, and it's just something that you can't guarantee, but it's how it is. But what we do offer is a money back guarantee. So if you do the course with us and we don't fix your pain, you get your money back. Simple as that. So if you want some information, get in touch on this page, or John at John at bpmlabcoaching.com. So Jon at bpmlabcoaching.com. We can have a chat, come down for consultation and see if it worked for you. It's work, it's effort, but being in pain is horrible. So have a chat if you want. Okay, signing off, and I'm going to pick up the dog poo now.